This is the Los Angeles River, and the Los Angeles River is, of course, in Los Angeles, California, and I think it's the only river that flows year-round. Its headwaters are in Simi Hills and Santa Susana Mountains. It actually flows 51 miles from Canoga Park through San Fernando Valley, downtown LA, to its mouth in Long Beach, where it flows into the Pacific Ocean. The river was once free-flowing. However, it frequently flooded. And as a result, because of all the flooding, which formed alluvial floodplains along its banks, they built concrete. Now it's encased in concrete. It flows through a concrete channel, unfortunately. And the LA River, it was fed by rainwater and snowmelt, and it used to be the primary source for LA. Today, the river has bike paths which follow the river, and you can see them up here. Well, I can get it larger. And you can see the bike paths over there. The part of the river that I am in Atwater, and the LA River here in Atwater, where I am at, it actually follows the 5 freeway. And today, the river used to have rainbow trout, Chinook salmon, river shrimp, just to name a few. But today there's an abundance of non-native fish species such as carp, bass, tilapia, and catfish. There is a wide variety of bird species, which include egrets, great blue herons, Canadian geese, ospreys, hummingbirds, and red-tailed hawks. Now, a long time ago, the river, before they concreted it, the river used to have, it used to support beavers, golden bears, yes, bears, gray wolves, coyotes, rabbits, and deer. Unfortunately, those animals have long disappeared. Today, the LA County has a 25-year master plan for the river, creating parks, ecosystems, arts, culture, and a diversity of public places along the river. I'm going to zoom in and see. Usually there are a lot of ducks, a lot of birds, but it's late in the afternoon, kind of cold. It's probably going to rain, and it's in January, so it doesn't have nearly as many birds and ducks as it usually has in warmer months. And also further down, I'm not going to go down there, but further down the river, there are little islands in the middle of the river, and there used to be a homeless community living on the islands. I don't know about now. I haven't been down there. But this walk bridge that we are on across the river is new. Last time I was here, it was non-existent. And now we can see the other side of the river. Down there. See if I can get it larger. There we go. So this is it, the iconic LA River.